There's been a lot of activity going on with Alta Labs, and I'm here to present to you some of the latest and greatest information. First up is a new addition to the Alta Summit Partner Program, where the installers have access to a new reward, which will be an all-inclusive Caribbean trip for themselves and a +1. And this will also include lodging and airfare. This event is supposed to take place in 2026, so be sure to definitely get out there and start your installs, start getting some tickets in, so you can have a chance to get access to that Caribbean resort. For anyone that's looking to become an Alta Labs installer, definitely take advantage of the not for resale starter kit so you can get an introduction to everything Alta Labs. The kit includes access to a 8-port switch, the S8, an AP6 Pro and AP6 wireless access point, and the Route 10. Speaking of installers, there is now a product registration form where you can fill out details of your next up-and-coming project, whether it be big or small. And if you're worried about access to inventory, this could be useful to you. Or if you're looking to get an advantage or a special rate, definitely fill out that form as well, and the Alta team will definitely help you with your next big project. There's a new Alta Labs swag shop where you could pick up some sweet swag, not quite like this, but something that you may be interested in and checking out and picking up some merch yourself. If there isn't anything on there that quite piques your interest, you can reach out to sales@alta.inc and make a special request, and hopefully they will be able to give you access to something that's more your style, whether it be a polo instead of a t-shirt, or maybe a koozie, I don't know, just whatever your imagination runs wild with. Definitely reach out to them if there's something that you would rather see in their shop. Finally, let's talk about hardware, the part that you guys probably care about most. There is a 48-port switch coming, and it will be the S48APoE. Presumably the A stands for All Power over Ethernet. So all 48 ports will be PoE Plus, supplying up to 30 watts of power per port. It will have double the RAM of the S24. It's a Realtek chipset with a dual-core CPU, and I believe that will be the 9313 CPU specifically. And it will also have all NAND flash storage, which means that it will do upgrades much faster than all of their previous switches. So that will be a nice boost. I don't have any more details than that to share with you guys, but nonetheless, I think everyone is excited to have their switch lineup that much more filled out. We will also be getting a S12, which my understanding it's supposed to be a all SFP switch. Now, I don't know all of the details about it. I heard something about there being a limitation to 10 SFP RJ45 modules, but I don't know if that means all 12 ports are in fact SFP, or if there's only 10 SFP ports, or if that means that you can only support up to 10 RJ45 SFP modules. I'm not really sure all the details about that. We will definitely learn more like sometime soon, and I believe that is expected to be released sometime in late August. So that's really soon when you think about it. There's also a rack mount accessory coming that will allow you to put your Route 10, this is not the Route 10, but they're about the same size, and the S8 on the same shelf. So that will be a cool rack mount accessory to have, and I think everyone will be excited to finally have that. And it is also going to be toolless and come with rack studs, so that's a huge plus and a great addition as well. There hasn't been a firm date given, but we could see that as early as July, but no time frame specifically for when it will drop in July. So definitely keep your eye out on all your social media for anything related to Alta Labs for information about when that might actually drop. We will also be getting the AP6W, which is a wall-mounted access point, of course with Wi-Fi 6, and it will feature PoE pass-through as well as multi-direction PoE input. That's pretty cool. I don't have all the details for that for you right now, but there will definitely be more to come sometime in the near future, and hopefully we can get our hands on that so I can show you guys what to expect with that device. Lastly, a really cool feature I just found out about is Alta Boost, which is a feature that allows cellular devices to use the access point as if it were a cell tower. So all cellular data and voice calls can be routed securely through the Wi-Fi access points with any of the participating mobile carriers. And with all that being said, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Peace.